you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Glossybox. So I'm super excited to see what's inside. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment and say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you're into subscription boxes, beauty boxes, skincare, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, and as a big thank you to you guys, I am hosting a giveaway that ends in just about a week. I think actually in 6 days from the day I'm filming this. So if you guys have not yet entered, I will leave a card at the end of this video so you can check that out next. But let's get back to Glossybox. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs $21 per month. I do have a code. It is Kitty in all caps. It will save you 22% on your first box. This is not an affiliated code, meaning I don't make any money from it. It is just to help you guys out. So I will leave a link and the code down below if you're interested in subscribing. I love the boxes that they come in. They're like very sturdy pink boxes. I always try and repurpose. But yeah, let's see what's inside. I have no idea what's coming in the box this month. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like the theme for June must be World of Beauty. And by the way, it is raining outside if you hear thunder or anything like that. So here is the front of the card. So in here, it'll talk about everything that comes inside. It lists the pricing and gives a description. It also has a little note here. It says, join our beauty journey, Glossies. This month, we're taking you on a virtual tour around the world with a beauty box full of international brands and inspiration from cultures across the globe. In a time when we have to be physically apart, sharing our favorite skincare and makeup tips and stories can bring us together. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful, and now is the perfect time to experiment with your routine. Find new favorites and indulge in some well-deserved self-care. From Asia to Europe to Australia and back to North America, we at Glossybox brought the best of the best from our team's worldwide hot list straight to your door. Enjoy our luxurious selection in June's Glossybox World of Beauty. I think that is so fun. So I guess all of the items will be from around the world. It's all wrapped up in this really cute tissue paper that also goes with the theme. Love that. And then here is a little sneak peek of what is underneath the tissue. So how about we start with the first thing I see? This is by Model Cone. It's their liquid metal eyeshadow. And we received it in the shade, does it say? I can't tell what shade it is on here. So this is full size and has a retail value of $19. So that's almost the price of the box, or if you use that 22% off code, it's more than you'll pay. Model Co. is from Australia. I never knew that. I've received some of their products before in subscription boxes. So I think this is liquid metal is just the name of the shadow actually. So it looks like a pretty like rose gold shade. It has a doe foot applicator. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, this is pretty. I'll have to try it out. I don't know why I want to smell it. Probably because it reminds me of like a lipstick or lip gloss, but didn't have any sort of added fragrance. So on here it says, from Australia, this velvety eyeshadow delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in a weightless shine. Tip, want more vibrant color? Be sure to add a shadow primer on before the eyeshadow. Cool, I love that they gave it to us in a color that I think will be flattering on so many people and can be incorporated into a lot of looks. Next up, we have something here by Coors, and this is their Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This is the packaging. It looks like this is probably a deluxe. Yeah, it says this is a deluxe mini. I mean, and as the name implies, it looks like it's probably from Greece. You can actually tell it has the writing right there. You can see it's in another language. On here it says this is time-released hydration. I'm intrigued. So the deluxe size of 20 milliliters has a value of $18. Great for this box. You can get the full size of 40 milliliters for $36. So, rich in collagen building protein, this Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. Its clinically proven microbiome friendly technology won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you the ultimate healthy glow. And there's a tip here that says simplicity is key. Using this daily AM and PM after cleansing will keep your skin hydrated, perfect for combating the summer heat. So let's see what this is like. It sounds great. I'll have to look into the ingredient list. It does look like there's fragrance, but it's the very last thing listed. Right now I am testing out an entire skincare or Korean skincare routine. If you guys are interested in that, a review is coming in a few weeks. I want to use it for a full month, but if you want to know like what items I'm currently using, I'll list the video down below. I received it all in a Skin Star box, but I definitely will try this out. It doesn't seem like it smells like anything. But there's the consistency there. It feels really nice. I should have put this somewhere else. I'm gonna rub it in on my arm, but yeah, it feels great. So I'm excited to try it out. And it does sound great for summer, so I think that's awesome they included this. If you guys have tried it, let me know your experience, like with any of these items. Oh, it looks like we have little packets here. And these are an extra treat, it says. So that's nice. So they're foil packets, but it's an extra bonus. And I love the packaging. Oh, it's marijuana leaf. So this is by the company High. The first one is called High Expectations Face Oil. So it is made with 32% cannabis sativa seed oil. Sorry, I think my nail polish is pretty gross on my hands right now. Meet your skin's highest expectations. Apply nightly after cleansing by warming several drops in your palms and smooth over face and neck. Absorbs instantly for high-speed results. Nice, I love face oils. And the next product by High is the High 5 Cannabis Facial Moisturizer. And this is made with 20% cannabis sativa seed oil, and it says it's supposed to neutralize, balance, and protect. So super cute packaging. And on the back it says, apply daily after cleansing by generously smoothing over the face and neck. It's 100% legal and free of the psychoactive substance THC and CBD. Nice. And these were made in the USA. So when they said they circled back to North America, this must be what they mean. So made in the USA, Melissa Jackum found benefits in cannabis sativa. They have truly remarkable results for your skin. And these little numbers are no expectation. Hydrating and giving intense repair, this moisturizer and oil combo is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. And the tip is save the intensive facial oil for nighttime. Pour the drops into your hand and warm the oil in your palms for a moment and then press into your skin. And it gives the full size pricing. It doesn't have any pricing for, and again, these are just extras. So the full size of the moisturizer is 50 milliliters and it's $40, and the oil is 30 milliliters and the full size value is $54. So I think that's great. We get to try it out. I have heard great things about using cannabis sativa seed oil, so again, I will have to try these out once I'm done with my current routine, and I will keep you guys updated. Ooh, and it looks like we have another skincare item, at least one other one. You guys know I love skincare. So this is by Rodile, and this is their Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask, and it says Brighten and Renew. I actually just received their micellar water, and I use that sometimes. It's in my bathroom now, and I really like it. So it's this instant, rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. So this sounds great. So this is $18. Wow, I love that we get to try this. Everything in here, this is pretty expensive. It has a high value, this box, but anyways, it says say hello to brighter looking skin with this instantly rejuvenated, oh, it says the same thing that was on the back, but this is from the UK. And so this can be a tremendous boost to your skincare routine. And on here it says SPF is always important, especially when using vitamin C. The skin can become more prone to sensitivity from the sun. I think that's such an important tip that they shared. You should be wearing SPF every day, but yeah, certain ingredients like vitamin C can make your skin more sensitive, so I love that they shared that information. And vitamin B3 is niacinamide and one of my favorite products, so I'm super excited. This looks like a great ingredient list, so I can't wait to try this. And this is something I can use now. I can still use masks sometimes with my current routine. Let's move on. Looks like we have two more items. And this is a deluxe mini, and this is by Decarte Liposome Moisture Liposome Hydration Boosting Serum. So since this is a serum, this is small size, but you only need a little bit usually. I can't tell if this is focusing or not. I'm really sorry if it is not. But, oh cool, this is from Japan apparently. It says infusing skin with all-day hydration to help repair and protect. Décolleté's liposome serum is engineered to time-release layer by layer. Its biometric phospholipids continuously hydrate skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. And the tip says, Japanese beauty is unique in its dedication to layering rituals and daily commitment. After cleansing, apply 2 to 3 pumps onto your face, neck, and décolleté for ultimate and even hydration. So this deluxe mini has 9 milliliters in it and has a retail value of $22.50. And the full size is 20 milliliters and is $50. So this is almost half the size of the full size. So we definitely have enough to get a good feel of it and see if we want to purchase it. So it looks like there's a little stopper here. Let's get this off and put a little bit in my hand. It's not a stopper. I thought sometimes these like little stoppers have like something on top of it you have to take off, but no, so you just squeeze it, the tube a little bit, and a little bit will come out. So I like that. That'll definitely help you like not overuse it or waste any product. No fragrance. It feels really nice. Absorbed right away, so super excited to try this more. And then last but not least, it looks like we have something here by Tony Moly, and this is their Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. It says refreshing care and soft cleansing, and there are 8 tissues in here. Made with 100 parts per million peach extract infused cleansing tissue. It removes impurities while brightening and hydrating the skin. Okay, how cute is the packaging of this? And on here it says, an indispensable addition to any skincare routine, these tissues from Korea provide an effective but gentle cleanse. And this 8 count has a retail value of $7. And there's a tip here that says cleansing wipes are great to help remove makeup, dirt, and oil, and even better on the go. Throw these into your gym bag, travel bag, or work bag for a gentle cleanse anytime you want. That's a great tip. I really only use makeup wipes for like when I'm on the go and traveling and stuff, or on nights where I'm just so tired and so lazy I don't want to do my double cleanse for my skincare routine, and I don't want to keep my makeup on overnight. So like this wipes are really convenient for that because it takes minimal effort. So definitely we'll probably use those in that way because I do get lazy sometimes, I won't lie. So I'm going to add up the total value for our box. Alright, so not including the high samples, the retail value is $84.50. So again, you pay $21 per month, or if you use that code, I think it comes out to be maybe around $16. Let me do the math. Yep, it'll be $16.38 if you use the code provided down below. So I think this is super great, and I love the theme, and I love trying things from other places, so I can't wait to try this out some more. So thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And again, if you are interested in subscribing, the link and promo code to save 22% will be in the description box. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.